In today's video, I'm giving you guys one small cap and two option plays that could potentially double, if not triple, your account heading into the month of July. So don't skip around, don't click out early, watch this all the way through because each one of these plays has the kind of setups that can change your month, maybe even your whole year. Now, quick side note, we have a short trading week this week because the 4th of July is coming up on Friday. So let's take a second to shout out all the troops, the real heroes who put their lives on the line so we can do what we love. Independence Day isn't just about fireworks or your uncle making ribs on the grill. It's about freedom, and a lot of people sacrifice for us to even have this opportunity to build wealth in the markets. So with all that being said, let's get straight to the video. First stock up is Uber, ticker symbol UBER. After some long consolidation, we're finally starting to see some upside movement, and I truly believe this run is just getting started. Zoom out to the monthly chart and you'll see why I'm so fired up. We went from low 20s to the mid 80s, almost a 4x in a year. That's insane growth for a company that's still evolving. Now, I know a lot of you guys are focused on short-term plays, but I'm telling you right now, start building the mindset of holding longer, especially when you're working with long-dated contracts like the ones we're grabbing in the Discord. When a name like Uber starts trending up like this, you scale in bit by bit. You don't need to go all in one day. If this works its way towards 100, 120, and so on, that's how you build steady wealth. Imagine just sitting on a few solid Uber contracts, letting them ride and seeing those grow 3x, 4x, even more depending on how many contracts you stack. If you're not fully confident on how options work, I break it down in my latest video, so go check that out. Next up, we have Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Already know what you guys are saying. You always talk about Palantir. Yeah, you're right, and maybe ask yourself why that is. Palantir is one of those rare stocks that I consider market proof. I'm talking about a company that if the world flips upside down tomorrow, man, if we go into war with Vietnam, don't ask me why that popped in my head. Palantir is still going up. And when everything is chill, when the market's calm, this will still slowly climb. It's a steady mover with real backing and long-term potential. Right now, we're watching it pull back after rejecting that 150 level, dipping down and trying to find support around 128, a level that's been holding up for a while now. But again, if you're in a long-dated contract, these dips are buying opportunities, not reasons to panic. If you see a stock gradually making its way down to the latest support, this might be a good spot to scale in into your options contract. And if it decides to go lower, which is a good thing, you can put in another quarter, another half, whatever you want. This allows you to have a great average and not buy all at once. At the end of the day, it's all about perspective. You either get shaken out or you build wealth by learning to scale in when it's quiet. That's the difference between traders and investors. Last but not least, you already know we have to talk about GNS. I mentioned this in the last video, and since then it's already popped over 50%. And honestly, it isn't showing any signs of slowing down. We've seen not one, not two, not three, but potentially 4 wedge breakouts in just a few weeks. That's not normal. That's a setup you do not ignore. Right now, it's consolidating in this tight $1.25 to $1.50 range. And if this momentum holds, we can see $2, if not $3 very, very soon. But hear me when I say this, manage your risk. Do not get blinded by the hype. It's already up 300% this month. So yes, it could still run, but it can also dip hard to cool off. To end things off, just so you guys know, by the time you're watching this, I've already opened up 100 new spots in the Discord for July. If you want my personal entries and exits, breakdowns like this that do not hit YouTube or Twitter, and real-time trade ideas, hit the link in the description, join the family, and let's make July a profitable one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.